What is up, YouTube? You know what? I know Christmas is over, and I'm not even a Christian, so I shouldn't be celebrating Christmas, but I love Christmas so much that we're going to celebrate it again today. And I think that there's like Orthodox Christmas comes up in January, so we got time yet, right? So here's the deal. I am very excited about something that actually won Product of the Day on Warrior Plus. Is my friend Alessandro's 16 Christmas Deals 2020. Basically, he's giving me 16 of his courses for $17. But I want to make this even better for you. So, assuming you haven't picked it up, you have picked it up, well, then enjoy his courses. But if you have not picked it up yet, I am going to make you the most ridiculous offer ever. I'm going to give you 15 of them, of my personal courses. These are actual videos featuring me, not, PLR, not something I outsourced. These are courses by me where I'm personally speaking, I'm giving the information. I'm not just giving you the courses. I am going to give you full PLR. I'll tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Allesandro Zamboni's Christmas Deals 2020. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. Regular viewers of the channel know that I am one of the very few people that can born successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Last week's Christmas cookies, let's face it, their time has passed. Anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
But, okay, it's enough. Christmas is past. Didn't you get your Christmas wish for some new lines? He says the same thing every day. It's so annoying. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, we'll give it to my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. Liz is a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. I can't get angry at her, even though she says the same thing every day also. Yeah. If you are new to, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So you get all of these courses completely for free. Okay, well, for $17 basically. Okay, basically, yeah, it really does cost $345. I know because I've promoted some of these. I know what they cost. So $17 is a really ridiculous price to be paying for these things. Now, as I said, my custom bonus is going to blow everybody else's custom bonus away. I got 15 of my own courses, actual courses that I've taught, that you're getting full PLR rights to. What does that mean? That means that you don't just get to use them. You get to give them away for free as a bonus. You can use them as a lead magnet. The only thing you can't do is just put them up for free for everybody to see willy-nilly and say like, here's free stuff. No, you can't do that. Can't add them to a PLR website. So if you own like a website and you sell PLR, you're not allowed to resell my courses. You can. Well, I mean, you're not allowed to resell PLR rights to my course. You can resell private rights. Basically meaning you have the right to sell to somebody else, but you can't sell somebody else. Okay, now you also have the right to sell to somebody else. But basically, that's pretty much it. You're getting the full rights. I'll show you the members. There's not much to see, though. Basically, you're just going to get, you're going to be in Allesandro Zamboni University. Everything is on Teachable for him. And basically, just go ahead and pick whichever course you want to go look at and take a look and, that's pretty much it, be able to see them. There's not much to see there. But let's see if I am going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Well, you betcha. I mean, seriously, you the man, seriously. 16 of his best courses, which each usually cost $17. You get them all for $17 one time. Plus, you're getting 15 of my own courses with full PLR rights. This one is the biggest no-brainer there is. I know that some of you probably already picked it up. And I'm sorry I'm late to the party with this, but if you haven't picked it up yet, this really is the time to do it because nobody's going to give you a better deal than I am. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.